a lot of times after playing with these RCs, especially if it's snow, a lot of dirt, how do I clean these ones, right? They are not waterproof 100%. Some of the electronics are not waterproofed, but even though they are not, I just wash them with and get everything clean, and then I just wait until they are very dry before doing it again. So I start with the body, kind of a car wash in here. Get everything clean. Don't need to brush or anything, just do this. Same goes for this body. Hot water works better. Hot water works pretty good. Guarantee all the dust is gonna be gone. The last one. And then why not just put that whole thing there, all these 3 cars at once. You'll need to wait a good amount of time for them to completely dry. I never scared about doing this. I've done many times. Again, I don't do every single time, but I have done many times. Never had a problem. You just saw I was running through snow. Things were getting wet. I'll keep it flipped over right there. Just want to get all the ice out, as well as the dirt, because it was pretty dirty. This way, this is going to be great. Alright, so I'll keep this here like this. Water is pretty hot. This one now. Clean the wheels. Clean everything. And that's about it. Right now I can just blow some air to take most of the water, and this is gonna be good to go. Alright, so to finish up cleaning here, already washed everything. Bodies are pretty much dry right now. Get something like this to just blow air everywhere. It's gonna be noisy, so I'll not be talking, but I'll show you how you do it. So just use something like this to blow some air, and then you just can wait a day or two before you play again. That's how I clean these RCs.